Good morning. It is currently 3 a.m. and here's everything that I ate today. If you're new, my name is Serena. I lost over 80 pounds in a calorie deficit, focusing on whole foods, high protein, high fiber. Lately, I have been eating out a lot, which I have shown in some vlogs of like how I balance eating over my maintenance calories and going to an Italian wedding. So if you're interested in that, go over to my channel. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Starting my day off, I do just want like a nice warm cup of tea. So I have brewed a pot and I'm going to be adding this enhanced collagen protein flavorless. It's like a hydrolyzed collagen peptides powder. My aunt who's a nurse got me to start using this. So I've just been adding it to my cup of tea. I have like a half scoop once a day, maybe once every couple days. And this is not something I was using when I was losing weight at all. This is like in the last couple months or so, I started adding this. And I only do about a half scoop in a cup, and that's it. There we go. And it just dissolves. The tea I'm going to be drinking, it's honeybush mandarin and orange. I accidentally ordered it in bulk. So now I'm stuck with like a million packets of this. But I'm not complaining at the same time because it's my favorite tea. Cheers. 3:24 and I'm feeling myself craving cookies. Typically I'm not very hungry, like too early in the morning. I wait like an hour or two before I eat. But if I'm ever feeling myself craving sugar or junk, I always let myself have like a breakfast because my goal through the day is to not let my blood sugar spike too much, which will just send me down a roller coaster. I can eat a cookie. I just prefer to not do it in the morning on an empty stomach and before eating a meal. You know what I mean? I always try to prioritize having sugar after I've eaten protein, fiber, and a healthy fat. For breakfast, I'm going to have 2 of these pre-cooked hard-boiled eggs from Costco. They do come in like this water, so I'm just going to give them a little wash. I'm also going to have a kiwi, and I do eat the skin because it does have a lot of fiber in it. The thing that helped me to lose weight was just simplifying what I was eating. I found that tracking was easier. Eating my eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper. It's currently 9:20. I'm just finishing getting ready. I have a dentist appointment that I have to leave for in about an hour. So I'm just throwing some zucchini in the air fryer. And then I'm also taking some canned oysters. I'm putting a little bit of cheese. I'm pretty sure this is called Poor Man's Oyster Rockefeller or something. I'm also taking this zesty herb dry rub from Queso. It was from a farmer's market in Edmonton. It has red and green bell pepper, parsley, onion, scotch bonnet, turmeric, mustard, ginger, mint, jalapeno pepper, garlic, and basil. So I'm just going to put a little on here. I'm going to put this in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Taking this Cove soda. Typically, I do not drink soda this early in the morning, but I just thought it sounded good, so I'm going to today. I'm going to eat it alongside these brown rice cakes. Banana chocolate chip made good muffin. Brittany was worried they'd be dry. It is a little dry. It's still good though. I'm gonna try this cream soda zero sugar for the first time. Wow, that's like childhood. That's really good. Got home from the dentist and also seeing my mom. It's 1:21 right now. I did have 2 of these Latte Zero sugar candy things, so not necessarily the best, but I'm gonna eat food right away. What I'm having for lunch, I have these chicken breast strips from Walmart. They are just fire grilled. Per 9 strips is 110 calories with 22 grams of protein. So I'm just zeroing my scale. I have my bowl on the scale. So that is about 150 grams. So close to 30 grams of protein. I also have some frozen edamame I'm also gonna throw in with the chicken and microwave for a little bit. So doing about 50 grams of edamame, which basically I just have to half everything on the nutrition fact. So 50 grams is 70 calories, 2 grams of fiber, and 6 grams of protein. If you're having trouble with weighing your food, it's literally just some math and it's not very complicated. But if you make your recipes complicated, that's when it gets complicated, at least for me. This is our instant mashed potato. I'm gonna do about 46 grams. But we will also see because maybe I'll do 20 and then only like 20. Okay, I'm gonna do 50 grams. That's how much 50 grams of mashed potato is, by the way. If you're not tracking your carbs, that's gonna be your biggest mistake with tracking your calories. Adding a little bit of refried beans. Beans are great, fiber and protein. So a little addition you can add into your day. My mom used to add cottage cheese to our lasagna, and that was like the main way that I would eat it growing up. So I think it just tastes like kind of cheesy, and that's the way I prefer eating it. Salt and pepper onto the mashed potatoes. Food just came out of the microwave. This is kind of what the cottage cheese looks like once it's been melted in. Oh, I almost spilled it. The weirdest thing I think I do is I eat my chicken with peanut butter. One, it's a healthy fat, but two, if you like peanut sauce, why not just eat straight peanut butter? I put about 10 grams of peanut butter on here. I'm gonna eat this, and then if I'm hungry again in a little bit, I'm gonna make a yogurt bowl, but cheers. Tyler and I keep all of the ice cream in the basement so that it's a little bit of a friction to get to. It's not as convenient. These are the ones that we are obsessed with right now. They are not necessarily the healthiest choice, but you can eat anything and lose weight or maintain weight. I don't think you need to be restricting yourself all the time. And I try not to eat sweets all the time, but it's just one of those days that I want a little ice cream. I'm gonna go take Benji on a dub, and also I'm gonna eat half of this Fiber One bar now and the other half when I get back. 3:46, I'm gonna do a little walking on my walk pad, and I just want a fun drink, and I'm trying not to have just like another soda, so I'm gonna have this Fairlife chocolate shake. Okay, cheers. I'm gonna go do my little walk, and I will talk to you later. I'm debating if I want to have a steak sandwich later or a yogurt bowl later, but I think it'll depend on the mood I'm in. If I am having a sweet tooth later, I'm probably gonna do the yogurt bowl. And if I don't have a sweet tooth later, I'll probably do the steak sandwich. If I have a sweet tooth, I need to satisfy it somehow. So the yogurt bowls are very helpful in that sense. But if I have a sweet tooth and I don't have a yogurt bowl, I'm more likely to overeat that day and eat more unhealthy stuff, because I still do have food noise. Last meal of the night, it's currently 4:23. I'm having an open-faced steak sandwich. I probably would have had a second slice of bread if I didn't have the ice cream earlier, but this is just how I personally balance my day. If I want to have a sweet treat, it's not the end of the world. And then I'm having some full Monty olives from the Italian Center. So it's stuffed with an almond, and then it's a garlicky sauce on the outside. Pickles, pickled jalapeno, some mushrooms, tomato, and there's also some kale with sourdough. I can handle sourdough. I'm gluten intolerant, not celiac. So it's nice because it gives you more options. If you're gluten intolerant, you also might be able to handle sourdough. And that's dinner. I'm probably not going to have any sauce. Not because the calories, just because I can eat this with no sauce, and I think it tastes fine without the sauce at this point now. Anyways, I'm going to go eat, and I don't really know what fully my plan is for the rest of the night. But if I want to stop eating the rest of the night, I just brush my teeth, and then I will not eat anything to have to rebrush my teeth. And that's my, not exactly a hack. It's not exactly a hack, but it's just my way of like ending the night, because if I don't brush my teeth and I'm craving something, I don't have the best self-control. I'm not on any like GLP-1 or Ozempic or anything that like my food noise is non-existent. So brushing my teeth personally helps me. Okay, I'm gonna go eat.